Namaste everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is in triangular shape. Its northwestern boundary is made by Aravalli Range. Western boundary is made by the Western Ghat. Eastern boundary is made by the Eastern Ghat and along with Chota Nagpur Plateau. Now, this peninsular plateau is divided into two parts. The northern part is known as Central Plateau. Central Plateau is bounded by River Narmada in the south, Aravalli Range in the northwestern part, Chota Nagpur Plateau in the eastern part, along with Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. This also makes a triangular shape whose western part is broader and eastern part is narrower. The river origins from here are River Chambal, River Betwa, River Ken, River Son. They all approximately originate from the southwestern part and flow towards the northeastern part, which shows that the southwestern part is higher than the northeastern part. The second part of the peninsular plateau is Deccan Plateau. The Western Ghat, it makes the western edge of Deccan Plateau. Eastern Ghat, it makes the eastern edge of Deccan Plateau, and River Narmada along with Satpura Range makes the northern boundary of Deccan Plateau. The important rivers of this region is Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. They all originate from the Western Ghat and flows towards the Eastern Ghat. It shows that the Western Ghat is higher and the Eastern Ghat is comparatively lower. That's why the river originates from Western Ghat and flows towards the Eastern Ghat to the Bay of Bengal. Now here is notes for the peninsular plateau. So note down the notes. The peninsular plateau, it was formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land and composed of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rock. Two major parts of the plateau are: number one, the central highland. It is bounded by Vindhyan Range in the south, Aravalli Range in the northwest, and Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. It lying to the south of the Narmada River. It covers the major area of Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand Plateau. Its western part is broad. The Chambal, the Sindh, the Betwa and the Ken are the important rivers flows from southwest to northeast. Now the second part of the peninsular plateau is the Deccan Plateau. It is a triangular landmass that lies to the south of the river Narmada. It is bounded by the Satpura Range in the north, Eastern Ghat in the eastern edge and Western Ghat in the west. It is higher in the west. River Godavari, River Krishna and River Kaveri are the important rivers flows from west to east. Thank you.